Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today we're just going to take a quick look through the fireworks for this year at the range. So we're just going to take a quick look through the brochure. Most of the stuff they have is still the same like they have in previous years, but there's one or two things that's new, like that piece there. So yeah, we just take a quick look through what they have. I think that's a new product as well, new selection box, the Anthem selection box, because I don't recall seeing that one before, so that might be new. I need all the bundle offers that they do. So yeah, that's pretty much the brochure. It's just a firework code at the back. And yeah, that's all the fireworks the range has for this year. So make sure to subscribe guys, because through the rest of October I'll be uploading a lot more, whether it's firework brochures, stashes, or just testing products. So yeah, I'll be uploading more frequently through the rest of this month, so make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.